We are going to be adding fractions. When we add fractions, we need to find a common denominator. A great way of doing it is turn both of these into a ratio table. Then either in our heads or on paper, we could start writing the multiples of the numbers. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and we're looking for the first number that they both have in common. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. They both share 15, so that's going to be our common denominator. So we're going to put that on our ratio table over here. And to get from 5 to 15, we multiply by 3. And if we multiply the denominator by 3, we're going to multiply the numerator by 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Now we're going from 3 to 15, so we're going to multiply by 5. And if we multiply the bottom by 5, we multiply the numerator by 5, and I have 1 times 5 is 5. So now we have a common denominator, and we can add 6/15 plus 5/15 is 11/15. The numerator tells you how many pieces you have. The denominator tells you the size of the pieces. It takes 15 of these pieces to make a whole. Number 2, here's example number 2. Once again, we're adding, so we're going to make ourselves a ratio table to read. That helps remind ourselves that we need to find a common denominator. Normally, I do start with the larger number, and in my head or on paper, I think of the multiples. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Now I'm going to do several on the 8s, now go to 6s. 6, 12, 18, 24. Oop, I can stop right there. So they share 24 as a multiple. 6 times 4 is 24, and I multiplied my denominator by 4, so now I'm going to multiply my numerator by 4. 8 times 3 is 24. If I multiply my denominator by 3, I'm going to multiply my numerator by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So once again, I have 4 over 24 plus 9 over 24. My denominators are the same. They tell me about the size of my pieces. My numerators tell me how many I have. I have 4 here and 9 here, so I have a total of 13 over 24.